Good morning, students. Students, we are doing the chapter acids, bases, and salts. In this chapter, till now, we discussed about acids, their definitions, their different types, occurrence, and effect. Then, we have studied about bases and alkalis. Today I'm going to show you some of the examples of acids of bases with their formulas. They are shown on your screen and they are sodium hydroxide. The formula is NaOH. Second is potassium hydroxide. The chemical formula is KOH. Third is calcium hydroxide and the formula is CaOH in bracket 2. Then ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. Then aluminium hydroxide AlOH in bracket 3. Copper hydroxide CuOH in bracket 2. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH in bracket 2. These are the some of the examples of bases with their chemical formulas. Some of them are soluble in water, so they are alkalis, and some of them are not soluble in water, so they are not alkalis. Now I am going to start the chapter with a new topic, that is indicator. Now students, I am going to discuss about indicators. Acids and bases can be identified not only through their taste but also with the help of some substance called indicators. And indicator is a substance which shows different colors in different medium. That means they show different color in acidic and basic medium. And by this change in color of the indicator, we can recognize that the given substance is an acid or a base. An indicator that is used is litmus. It is obtained from lichens and it is purple in color. The color changes to red in acidic medium and to blue in basic medium. We use litmus paper. Litmus can be used as an indicator in the form of a solution. In practice, it is more often used as paper, litmus paper. We often use litmus paper as indicator. The color of litmus paper changes, like blue litmus paper changes to red when we use it, we dip it into a solution which contains acid. And red litmus paper changes to blue when we dip it into the solution which contains a base. So by using a litmus paper, we can say that the given solution is acid or base. There are some natural indicators also. Turmeric can be used as indicator. It turns red in basic medium and remains yellow in acidic medium. Juice of China rose. You can prepare it also. Juice of China rose petals can also be used as a natural indicator. It turns dark pink when added to an acid and turns green when added to a base. One more commonly used indicator is phenolphthalein. It is colorless in an acidic medium and turns pink in basic medium. So, students, these are the natural indicators. By using them, you can recognize a given solution as a base or an acid. Now, students, next topic of this chapter is neutralization reaction. Students, you have already studied in the previous chapter when you have studied about different types of reaction. Now, again, we have to study it in this chapter. Neutralization reaction is the reaction between an acid and a base which results in the formation of salt and water. When an acid reacts with a base, it forms salt and water, and such reaction is known as neutralization reaction. There are some examples given in which sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to give sodium chloride, which is a salt, and water. In second example, potassium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid and the products are potassium sulfate and water. The third one is magnesium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid and the product is magnesium nitrate and water. In all these reactions, a base reacts with acid to form salt and water. All these are the examples of neutralization reaction. Students, one more information I want to share with you that hydrochloric acid present in small quantity in our stomach. It helps in digestion, all of you know that. However, when an excess of this acids gets secreted in the stomach, it causes uneasiness, nausea and pain. To cure this problem, we have to take medicines called antacid, and these antacids contain a mild base which neutralizes the excess acid present in stomach. And that's why when we feel acidity, we use some medicines which are antacid, and we are knowing that acid is secreted in our stomach, that is hydrochloric acid, and when we use antacid which contains base and it reaches to stomach and react with acid and neutralizes the effect of acid, and it cures the acidity, nausea, pain. So students, today we have discussed about different bases, indicators and neutralization reaction. We will discuss different topic from this chapter in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.